Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, today is, I believe, Monday morning, 2 a.m., February 23rd. And of course, we're having another snow blizzard here in Pennsylvania. This is my front porch. Can you see those icicles hanging off my porch? Look how long they are. So we're expected to have 8 to 14 inches, and it's still snowing and it's blowing and it's freezing cold. I left a chair out there just to gauge how much snow we're getting so far. Again, it's 2 a.m. You have a few people who's out on the road. Snow plows still going. I just can't get over the icicles. The snow from last storm just melted finally yesterday, and today, or 2 days ago, and yesterday it started snowing again. You can't really see in the background, but it is still heavily snowing. We got a few more hours to go. All right, guys, this is an update from Pennsylvania outside of Philadelphia. And this is another snowstorm. All right, keep you updated.